In this video, you'll learn how to link your bank account to Sofi. Whether you're looking to manage your finances or invest wisely, connecting your bank account to Sofi is a crucial first step. Let's dive into how you can do this seamlessly. First things first, you'll want to have the Sofi app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, head over to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Sofi app. Once the app is installed, open it up. If you're already a member, simply log into your account. If not, go ahead and sign up. It's a quick process that will get you started on your financial journey. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your central hub for all things Sofi, where you can view your account details and manage your finances. Now, let's focus on linking your bank account. Depending on the type of account you have, navigate to either the banking or invest section. This is where you'll initiate the process of linking your bank account. In this section, look for the option that says Add Cash or Link Account. Tapping on this will begin the process of connecting your bank. Sofi uses a service called Plaid to securely link your bank account. Plaid is a trusted platform that helps apps like Sofi connect with banks without compromising your security. Once you tap on Add Cash or Link Account, a list of banks will appear. Find your bank from this list. If your bank doesn't appear immediately, you can use the search feature to locate it. After selecting your bank, you'll be prompted to connect it using Plaid. Next, you'll need to enter your online banking credentials. This step is crucial as it authorizes the connection between your bank and Sofi. Rest assured, this process is secure and your information is protected. Follow the prompts to enter your credentials and then authorize the connection when prompted. Once you've confirmed everything, your bank account will be successfully linked to Sofi. This means you can now easily transfer funds, manage your investments, and take full advantage of what Sofi has to offer. And that's it. Now you know how to link your bank account to Sofi. By following these steps, you're well on your way to managing your finances more effectively. Thanks for watching and happy banking.